Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's move to the left side and pick this button in the corner to open the camera settings. Here we have to slide a little bit down to useful features category, and at the third position now we have the grid lines option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. When we move back to the camera preview, we have these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to this button from the right to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move to the left corner button, open the settings, slide down to useful features and tap to grid lines to turn them off. So for now in the preview they have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.